In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix HP laptop keyboard not typing or working. The first thing that you want to do is to simply restart your device. From there, you want to completely plug out everything from your external keyboard, your mouse, the charger, and basically everything. We want to hard reset our computer by pressing the power button for around 30 to 1 minute. From there, after pressing for around 30 seconds and above, you then want to turn it back on and see if that works. If not, let's navigate through our Windows setting, right click on your Windows logo, click Device Manager, and then you want to look for the keyboard options. Here, just right click on it, click Update Drivers. You want to do this for every driver right here. And then you want to make sure that everything is updated. Now, once again, let's navigate through our Windows setting, click Settings right here. Inside, look for the Update and Security, and then you want to make sure that your device is updated to the latest version. If that didn't work, we can then try to update our drivers for the HP itself. Now, to do this without simply using your keyboard on your browser, the thing that you can do is to once again head over to Settings, navigate through Home, click on Ease of Access, click Keyboard, and then turn on the Use the on-screen keyboard. From here, just open up your browser, and then you simply want to type the HP laptop keyboard driver. As you can see, I can type out completely fine right here. So you can just type the following, which is going to be the HP laptop keyboard driver. Head over to the official website for HP. In here, you then want to search for your model. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and search for a laptop to make things easier, and then I'll choose a random product, and inside you will be able to see the available drivers for your specific model. Update your drivers, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.